Yeah. Funny how silence gets louder when you're gone. I've been right here, but nobody responds. So I guess I'm already gone. Let the cold wind blow. Yeah. Cold wind blows where my name used to stay, now fade out. Let the pain drift away. I've been lost, I've been tired, I've been breaking the mold. Now I'm nothing but a shadow in the cold wind blows. Wind blows, I don't answer no calls. If I vanish off the earth, would you notice it all? I've been gone in my head for a minute, I know. Let it all disappear in the cold wind blow. Yeah, I woke up in a life I don't recognize. Same damn mirror, but a stranger in my eyes. Everybody wants a piece, everybody got a lie. So I started cutting ties, let the signals die. Phone on D&D, don't need sympathy. Every you good just feels like it's killing me. I smile in public, but inside it's a crime scene. Mind full of noise like a fucked up machine. I try to be everything they wanted from me, but me got buried under expectations, you see. Now I'm pacing these rooms like a ghost with keys, unlocking nothing but anxiety. And I swear I hear my name in the static sometimes, like the world trying to pull me back in line. But I'm done with the scripts, done with the signs. I'm just trying to disappear in real time. Cold wind blows where my name used to stay, now I fade out. Let the pain drift away. I've been lost, I've been tired, I've been breaking the mold. Now I'm nothing but a shadow in the cold wind blows. Cold wind blows, I don't answer no calls. If I vanish off the earth, would you notice at all? I've been gone in my head for a minute, I know. Let it all disappear in the cold wind blows. Yeah, I tried to be solid, tried to be still, but every damn thing started losing appeal. Fake conversations, fake love, fake deals. Everybody preaching, but nobody feels. So I step back slow, let the world rotate. Watch my own life turn to a closed gate. Now I'm sitting with my thoughts like, fuck fate, trying to outrun a past I can't erase. I've been texting, I'm fine with a shaking thumb, while my mind's in a place where the light don't come. And I laugh sometimes just to feel something, but even that shit don't numb nothing. So I cut the noise, cut the cords, cut ties. If I fall off the map, then I'm telling no lies. No goodbye, just sky in the night that I'll ride, while I fade in the distance where the silence hides. Cold wind blows where my name used to stay, now I fade out. Let the pain drift away. I've been lost, I've been tired, I've been breaking the mold. Now I'm nothing but a shadow in the cold wind blows. Cold wind blows, I don't answer no calls. If I vanish off the earth, would you notice it all? I've been gone in my head for a minute, I know. Let it all disappear in the cold wind blow. Maybe I built this cage with my own damn hands. Every yes I said turned to shifting sands. Now I'm sinking in thoughts no one understands, while I'm screaming inside, but I don't make plans. I ain't looking for rescue, don't send a team. I just wanted a life that felt like it means something more than these broken routines and the weight of these fucked up in between dreams. I remember